Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a fit for a dolly, mommy. I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. And rescue me. So take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me out the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat, tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat, tell them it's a rap.
I didn't come this far just to come this far and not be happy. Okay, remember that.
Good morning, guys. It's morning time. I already had tea, I already had tea. I had some hot chocolate, some Milo. It's my day off, so I've been having healthy tea all week, so I'm like, I treat myself to some Milo this morning. So I had that already and stuff, but I wanted something to eat. I just wanted a plain sandwich and stuff. I don't have any vegetables to put in it, so I wasn't gonna bother make it, but that's what I feel first want to make it. So I got this the other day in the supermarket. I got these chicken like sliced cutlets, or not really cutlets, but I don't know any of them, but they put it in a sandwich. And I have some bacon, so I'm gonna fry that and the bacon, put it in a nice sandwich with some mayo, a little bit of cheese, mozzarella, shredded cheese, and some grated parmesan with mayo, butter, and probably a little bit of ketchup just to give it a little more flavor and stuff, because I'm hungry. I'm starting to feel well. Yeah, and guys, oh my god, if I'm looking tired, I'm really tired. It's my day off, and I did a 12-hour shift yesterday. 12 hour, hold on, yeah, 11 hours. I did an 11-hour shift yesterday, plus the journey to come home and stuff. So yeah, so you guys saw I'm gonna season some fish in the next clip. I was supposed to do that from yesterday for dinner, but by the time I got home I was so drained, so we only made like a little burger. I made a burger for me and mom for dinner. So I'm gonna do the fish today. I'm gonna do that with fish, steamed fish, white rice. I told her to get some lettuce. Don't know if she's getting it today. If not, we're gonna do string beans, or I do some shredded vegetables with that. Yeah, so let's go make some breakfast, because I got is hungry. Hungry, I feel weak, so let's go.
Just a look shit that the attention. No style, they are the way because fan. Feel Saturday when them nothing and can. Baby, you're the exercise and you ever look nice, but you could have your woman, you're the grand. It's a weekend. Short nights,